Alright guys, it's Chris again, but on baseballcards.com. This is a Wal Mart black background blaster box. So this one's got the 2 packs of black background instead of throwbacks. I'm all done with the Target stuff. I just got 3 blasters from Wal Mart with black background. Here they are. Tales of the Game, Maris, Damn Usual, Pujols, Legendary Lineage, and Pujols Ticket to Topstown. Just regular old inserts. Benji Molina, Ordonez, Gamble, Sherholtz, and Dodgers franchise history for black background. And this looks like the other black background pack. It is Josh Beckett, Lyle Overbay, Julio Lugo, St. Louis Cardinals team card. Please be an original back, Frank Thomas. No, it's a regular back, but it has his name on the front. I think I may be wrong. This is confusing because I know I've seen this card before, but I can't figure out if it's the Vintage Legends collection in Series 2 or if it's the cards your mom threw out. If regular back has a no name and a regular name, and then the original back would have a no name and regular name. So there may be 4 versions of this card. This is the regular back with the name on the front, but I'm pretty sure I have one with the no name on it. Miguel Cabrera, peak performance, Adrian Gonzalez, gold, Ticket to Topstown, and Fernando Martinez, black background. This should be regular cards now. Edwin Jackson, former Tiger, throws a no-hitter the other day. Cal Ripken Jr., regular back. Tris Speaker, peak performance, and Todd Helton, gold, Ticket to Topstown. Some more base cards. Gomez. Granderson, Turkey Red, Cabrera, Ticket to Topstown. That must have been like a Tigers pack or something. Lincecum Gibson and Longoria, Ticket to Topstown. Eddie Murray, regular back. Cody Ross, when they were young. Tejada, Topstown. Oh, we're done with this. History of the Game Hall of Fame, Andre Ethier, Turkey Red, Guerrero, Ticket to Topstown. Oh, please don't be an original back. Regular back, Sheffield. Now I've got both. Honus Wagner, Handler Ramirez, Legendary Lineage, and Manny Ramirez, Topstown. Rios. Oh, look, a million card giveaway code card. How about that? I know I set it off to the side somewhere. Halliday, Ticket to Topstown. What did I do with my code card? I'll redeem all my codes when I'm done opening up all these packs, all these boxes, and then I'll redeem them one time and click it back on if I remember to let you know if I got anything good. I'm sure I'll remember it if I get something good. Mel Ott, peak performance, and Adam Jones, gold, Ticket to Topstown. Another Prince Fielder card. I needed a few of those. I was out. That's all for the packs. Here's the patch card. Frank Thomas, 1994 All-Star Game patch. Frank Thomas when he was with the White Sox. At least that's what the photo is. Insert. Well, the inserts in this box were a little lower than the base cards. Even if I were to throw that giveaway card on top of here, it's still probably a 7-card differential. So it is quite random for these inserts. I'll put these black background on here too. We know I'm not going to get any more of these redbacks. Alright, that's it guys. I'll cut this one a little shorter than I did. I was just rambling on.